Hey guys, welcome to Daily Leetcode. Today we're doing question number 27, remove element. So given an integer array nums and an integer val, remove all occurrences of val in nums in place. So if you read this question, it's actually pretty confusing, but I can condense down and explain like what it is asking us to do. So let's say we have this nums array 3, 2, 2, 3, and this is a val value which is 3. So it is asking us to remove all the occurrences of 3 in this array, and it asks us to count how many elements left which are not 3. So in this case, if we remove all 3 values here, we get these 2 elements, right? That's why we get an output of 2. And in the second example, so let's say we have val value 2. So if we remove all the occurrences of 2, we get 0, 1, 4, 0, 3. And the output of this will be 5, because we don't care about like what's left after that. What we all care about the values which are not 2. So let's jump to our board and see how can we solve this problem. So over here we have this example where we have this nums array 5, 2, 4, 2, 1, 0, and we have val value 2. So the output of this code should look like this. So if we remove this 2 value and this 2 value, so our answer should be 4, because if we remove all the occurrences of 2s, we get this array and we don't care about anything comes after that. So what we can do here, we can compare this val value with individual element and then do some calculation to find like how many of these number are same and how many are different. So what we can do, we can compare this val value with each element in the nums array. So in this case, if let's say we have a loop going on here, this I, so if we have this I, so nums of I, if it's not equal to this value, then we will increase some counter. So let's call that counter k. So let's say if our case I is equal to 0, if we're looping from left to right, if nums of I is not equal to the val value which is 2, in this case 5 is not equal to 2, then nums of k will become the nums of I value. So what we are doing here is, so let's give it k the initial value of 0. So if these numbers are not equal, we will be swapping that number with itself. So what we're doing here is, what is nums of k? It is 5, and what it will become nums of I, which is also 5. We will be swapping 5 with 5, and we will increase our counter by 1 value. So our k will become 1 now. So now let's say if I is equal to 1 here, so 2 is equal to 2, so this condition is true, then we won't do anything, our k will remain 1. If our I is equal to 2 here, so 4 is not equal to 2, so nums of k, which is 1, is equal to nums of I, which is nums of 2. So what is nums of I? This 2 value will become 4. So our array will look like 5, 4, 4, 2, 1, and 0. Now when I is equal to 3, so we can say 2 is equal to 2 here. So 2 will become equal to 2, and k will remain 2, and array will remain same, 5, 4, 4, 2, 1, 0. When I is equal to 4, so 1 is not equal to 2, 1 is not equal to 2, so k will become 3. So nums of k value will become nums of I. So nums of k is still 2. So nums of 2 will become nums of 4. So what is nums of 4? Nums of 4 is 1. So nums of 2, which is this value, so this will become 5. So this will become 1. So 5, 4, 1, 2, 1, 0. So when I is equal to 5, 0 will not be equal to 2. So nums of k will become nums of I. What is nums of k here? Because k has a value of 3 here. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So this value will become this value. So it will become 5, 4, 1, 0, 1. And our k will be updated to +1. So k will become 4. And we will return this k value, which is currently 4. So over here we're just looping it, initialize the k with 0 value, and we're comparing the val with individual element. And if they are not true, We are swapping the k value with the I value. That's it. That's all we're doing. And if their value is same, we are not doing anything. And at the end, we will return our k value. In this case, this is 4. And if you see here, if you remove this 2 and this 2, how many elements you got? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why you get 4 here as well. So let's see how to code this problem in JavaScript. So over here, we are initializing our k value with 0 and we are looping through the array. If we find that nums of I is not equal to val, which we are providing here, then the nums of k will become nums of I and we'll update our k value. And if I submit this and our answer is submitted, so the time complexity of this algorithm is of n because we are looping through the array and each element will be traversed at least once. So of n is the time complexity and of 1 is the space complexity of this algorithm. And I think that's it from today's video. I'll see you tomorrow with a new Leetcode question. Thanks a lot for watching.